Hi there. Today we're exploring the GasSaf 15-inch Cordierite Pizza Stone, designed for ovens, grills, and barbecues. Made from food-grade cordierite, it withstands heat up to 1,450 degrees Fahrenheit with excellent thermal shock resistance. This baking stone measures 15 inches in diameter with a sturdy 5/8-inch thickness, weighing 6.6 pounds for durability. It draws moisture from dough and distributes heat evenly to deliver crispy crusts without sogginess. Perfect for pizzas, flatbreads, cookies, and breads, it enhances your homemade cooking experience. Before use, preheat the stone to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and dust the peel with cornmeal or flour. Cleaning is simple. Just scrub with warm water after it cools, avoiding soap or detergent to preserve the stone. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.